In the shadowed recesses of the soul, where the mind's rigid fortress crumbles like ancient ruins under a storm's fury, there emerges a stillness, a profound, echoing void. The less you cling to the chattering throne of thought, the more you ascend into that sublime hush, where understanding blooms not from logic's cold grip, but from the raw pulse of being itself. It is here, in this divine madness, that Daemon awakens, a creature forged in the alchemical fires of heaven and hell, passionate as a lover's betrayal, electric as lightning threatening the midnight sky. Oh, have you felt it? A demon, raw and charged, a focused torrent of chaos unbound. It slithers through veins like serpent's venom, laced with ambrosia, whispering secrets from the abyss, while igniting sparks that can illuminate empires! A raise them to west! In the spark ages, when humanity huddled in ignorance ceased bloom, shrouded by fears from the veil, it was this very force that clawed through the veil. Without its feral howl, we would have remained chained in eternal light. Now, Renaissance flames to devour the overall sky, go bursts of genius to paint the stars anew. It is the spark that birthed cathedrals, soaring toward godly heights, yet tempted alchemists to summon demons in sulphurous labs, blending salvation's light with perdition's shadow. Picture it, divine in its ecstasy, a winged seraph drunk on celestial wine.